Hello guys, this is Noel and I am here today to make a video on simple web designing using HTML. Today my aim is to create a document that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the following elements. We'll be using the following tags that are given below to create this HTML page. And here's the question, guys. The question has been divided into three sections. There's one section which has a paragraph, and there's a link. There are several links over here. Then the next is there is a paragraph and there is a list over here. Now the third one is we are having a paragraph and it's followed by a table. Now each will have different tags. Let's see how it's done. So HTML page will start from an HTML tag. So we are opening an HTML tag over here, and then we are closing it also over here. Now the whole HTML has been divided into two parts: the head and the body. The head will define the internal characters of the whole thing, and the body will define the external characters of the whole HTML page. Now let's see how it's done. We are using a division tag to create divisions and to assign properties specifically according to the division. We are using h1 and h2 tags to give headings. Now h1 is followed by h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6, h1 being the largest and h6 being the smallest. As you can see over here in the output, h1, this is h1 and this is h2. You can clearly see the size difference. Now after this we use the p tag, which is used to print a paragraph inside the HTML page. Now after that it's followed by a anchor tag. Now what anchor tag does is it will create a link upon which when clicked will refer to another page which we can navigate to. There are like two links, one email address and one phone link. Now that is followed by another link called an image link. When we use this image link to this is actually an image which when clicked will refer to another page. So it's defined by using the img tag, and this alt is like an alternate. If this image is not available, so we'll go to this image, and the style will define the width, height and border of the image. Now this is followed by all the division tags and all. Now let's go to the second division, that is the list. First we'll be giving the subheading. Now the subheading is given in h2, so it will be slightly lesser than h1, which is followed by a UL. Now what UL is? UL is unordered list and OL is ordered list. So UL will use bullet points and OL will use ABC or 1, 2, 3 according to the specification. Now LI tag is used to give the list items. So here we have LI first item, and inside OL we have LI first item of nested list and second item of nested list. Let's see how the output is. As you can see, the first item is a unordered list and first item of nested list is in ordered list. That's how we defined it, so the output will be accordingly. Now let's move on to the third division, which is the table. Now the table has subheading. Now there is a tag called pre. It's similar to paragraph tag, but the only difference is in the pre tag the content will be printed as it is in the pre tag. As you can see, there's a next line over here. So if you see the output, there will be next line over here. As you can see, pre tag is very much more useful than a p tag. Then it's followed by a table tag. Now table tag is used to create tables. The border will specify the padding of the table. Now we use a tr tag to create rows and td to fill the content inside those rows. So we have seen tr, td, and this td has a row span is equal to 4. Now what row span does is it will merge 4 rows together. So here it's written row span is equal to 4, means it will merge nearly 4 rows together and create a single row. So let me show you how it is. Row span is equal to 4 here. As you can see, this will merge 4 rows together and will create something like this. Now after that we use a call span. Over here, call span is like it will merge. Earlier row span used to merge rows. Now call span will merge columns together and will give a desired output according to what we use. Now tr tags, td tags are used as per our wish, and then we close the table tag, and all the division tags are closed. In the last body tag and the HTML tag is closed. This is how an HTML code will look like. Now how the output will be, you have already seen the output. It's something like this. Now let's validate our result, and yeah, I uploaded the code, and let me check. Yeah, so here as you can see, all are like CSS has not been taught to us, so it's like not to be done right now. So that's it. Thank you.